Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Tuesday, July 22nd, 9:28 a.m., 2 minutes to the New York Open. This is the daily frame. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. Inside day, tiny body. Inside day, tiny body. And down day with a bearish body here so far on the Dow. These two are basically unchanged. Very small bodies, very small candles, resting after yesterday's little rocket ship early morning there in New York. But let's take a look at my trading grid. There's that daily unchanged body, kind of doji style body there, and the 30-minute and the 1-minute chart. Just coming over to the 1-minute chart, guys, you will see that I am showing the Asian open range and the London open range, and the New York open range is about to form right about here. You will see that we pushed up earlier here in London and rejected from the Asian open range, pull all the way back up again to a tick, guys, on the bottom of the open range, and reject a little bit here, and now flushing up against it before the New York open as well, which will happen in 1 minute. On the 30-minute chart, guys, you can see that this is the span of travel of yesterday. There's that big lockout rally on the open of New York, sideways grind, pulling back all the way down, and now sitting in this range at the top end from this push down here near the open of London. And so I'll be interested to see if we can get up beyond here and that Asian open range, which happens to be here as well, like I showed you right over there. You see that there? And I'll bring you back after we open. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys, completed, and you will see that we're looking at 31.25 points on the NASDAQ and just 5.5 points on the S&P, pushing down here out of the gates just to start, rejecting from that Asian open range. Very similar to yesterday, guys, how that New York open range is almost straddling both of the other open ranges, driving down heavily now, very quickly here, guys. Just going to be very patient, let this thing play out, and then see where we go from there. But there's definitely some selling coming in. Bearish body now on an inside day, bearish body on the 30, pushing down from that zone below all three open ranges. Dropping down to the 30-second chart here for a moment, guys. Weakness right out of the gates here. Basically closed that range, wiping out 2, 4, 5, almost 6 candles here on the 30-minute chart in one push. Just watching this pullback now, guys. Bringing out a marker just to do some measuring here. Nothing live. Stop above the 30-second candle that closed below all three open ranges. Sell stop order, guys, for now. Sell stop order. I may cancel this. Good chance I'll cancel it. Just dancing here in this fast market. Back to the 1-minute chart for a moment. I'll stay on the 1-minute chart now. Nice extended move here on the S&P, looking for it to soften and to drive the NASDAQ down further. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. First trade of the day. Now it's the waiting game. And while we're waiting here, guys, I'm going to delete these two open ranges to keep things nice and clean. Break and retest open range, 9 below 21. EMAs exited the open range. Bearish 30-minute. This is a situation, guys, where on the 30-minute chart you can see here that there is a zone right here, a fairly key zone that pushed really hard up yesterday for that start of that rally, and that's around 1R. This is one of these times where I wouldn't blame a 1.5 or 2R all or nothing trader for taking profits at 1R because of structural considerations. I'm still tracking the 4 models: 1R, 1.5R, 2R, and 2R moves stop to break even at 1R no matter what. But I just thought I would add that comment that I've added a few times recently, given the low VIX environment and then these structural considerations on things like inside days. Yeah, and as you can see, the dip buyers are coming in already to take advantage of just this little push down. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. And now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. I just want to add here, guys, for some context, that if prices can push down here to 1.5 hour, then that will be the breaking of yesterday's candle low, and that would likely power things even lower to hit 2R and beyond without too much trouble. In fact, guys, I'm so confident about that driving quickly. I'm going to put these markers and scores up here now because I believe that's going to happen fairly quickly, and I want that to be there for the screenshot. One more push to get the 1.5 hour. There it is, guys, 1.5 hour. And now the breaking of prior candle low. There it is. Watch it happen. And there it is, guys. Nice, easy trade. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon.